Hi, this is Ujeng. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm finally picking up my Cybertruck. When I first ordered it, I chose the tactical gray interior color, but I heard that changing it to white might get me the truck faster, so I made the switch. The next day, I received a VIN number and also got the delivery date. Luckily, the Tesla service center is not far from my house and arrived on time. There were many people waiting to pick up their cars. While waiting, I looked around the showroom and checked out the cars being delivered today. There were many Model Ys, and I saw a new Quicksilver color, which looks very nice and premium. I also saw a few Model 3 Performance. There were about 6 Cybertrucks parked outside as well. After some waiting in the showroom, my turn finally came. I showed my ID, I went through some paper signing and received a key card, and went to inspect my car before signing the final papers. I had a Model 3 and Y before, so this is my third Tesla vehicle. I'm used to minor panel gaps by now and don't really mind unless they are severe. Since my VIN numbers are over 10,000, there weren't any noticeable panel gaps. However, because the body is stainless steel, it was so easy to spot smudges, so wanted to check if they could be wiped off. Even if you don't notice anything during pickup, you can report the issues to Tesla within the first 100 miles and they'll fix most things. You should take some time to inspect everything at home and including the accessories that comes with the Foundation series. The service rep came out to try to clean the smudges with Windex, but it only removes water spots. She said deeper stains require a service appointment for deep cleaning. When I got home, I used my own car wash solution and I was able to clean off all smudges. After checking everything, I made the final payment through the mobile app and headed home. Being able to handle everything through the mobile app was very convenient. If there were no wait time, I think the whole process could be done in 15 minutes. Driving the Cybertruck after Model Y felt different. It feels bigger than I expected, but I like the higher driving position and the clear view. Thanks to steer-by-wire, the corner handling was great. The interior noise level was much quieter compared to my previous Model 3 and Y. I plan to make more videos about Cybertruck, so if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See ya!